Back here on my 2002 Ford Expedition 80 Bauer, 97 to 2002. Basically have the same components, and I believe most of them in the same location, and the Ford F-150s from the 96 to the 96 to the 2002, I believe. So I'm finna take this off, take the purge valve off and clean it, because I'm getting very poor fuel mileage. Right now I'm reading at 7.8 miles to the gallon. So I'm taking it off, use some car cleaner. I'm gonna clean my master airflow sensor. Take some car cleaner, spray it inside, try to clean it out some. As you can see, it got a lot of dirt on it anyway, and I hit trails and dust and stuff. And I'm also going to try to clean, I forgot what they call. I'm trying to clean that too, shoot some carb down in there and try to clean that too to see if I can improve my gas mileage. I can't accept 7.8 and burning a lot of fuel, more than I'm burning. Then my the Ford, the overhead master empty is not reading right. It goes to, like, it throws a code at the top. I don't get no check engine light, but it just throw the like no gas code. Then the gas light come on when I just filled up. Don't have it, act like it don't have gas in it, but I know I just put gas in it. So I'm gonna try to clean this. I'm gonna clean this solenoid. This is supposed to be the purge valve solenoid. I'm gonna clean this one. I'm gonna spray some car clean down there and try to clean that as well too. And I'm gonna clean my mass airflow sensor. Then I'll see if I get better gas mileage on my trip home. I got 13 miles home from work after I get off. I'm on break right now, so yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll let y'all know. And I also gotta replace this. I forgot what this called, but I also had to replace this sooner or later. I'm gonna pull y'all in closer. I had to replace that. You can see I had to rig that up to get it fixed because it cracked off. I was trying to take out the coil boot down there, and I cracked it. So I gotta replace that. I might just go to the junkyard, find a good one off of any Ford vehicle. The Lincolns have it, the Navigators have it. I believe the Mustangs have them. So yeah, I'm finna get ready to do this. I'll bring y'all back in once I get it off. Well, I have it disconnected, unbolted. I'm just trying to see, should I disconnect it from here or from here? I'm trying to disconnect it from here, but this thing been on here so long, it ain't got attached to it. It wiggles on the inside, but I just can't get a good pull on it to get it off. So I gotta get a flathead. I don't have no needle pick things, whatever you call them things. But I got a dash panel puller that hopefully I don't rip this hole, because this hole is very brittle, as you can look at and tell. Like, it's kind of brittle. So I'm trying to get that out and get it off. I'll bring it back in once I get it off. That is, if I don't rip it, then I'll be looking stupid. Just like that, I got it off. Had to wrestle with it a little bit and get to move. I had to break it loose and everything. Like I said, that thing been clamped enough for years. It didn't conform to the West Coast. I don't know who the last person put it on when the last one came off. But as you can see, this thing is highly dirty. So a good chance that the inside is dirty. I heard that you can clean them with carb cleaner or mass airflow sensor. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and I'm gonna see if my miles improve once I put it back on here. Again, I'm gonna clean this one. I'm gonna shoot some car cleaner down in here. Pull that off. I'm gonna shoot some car cleaner down in there. Start to clean that a little bit, and I'm gonna clean my mass airflow sensor. And hopefully I can get better gas mileage. I gotta replace this too. I'm thinking about taking this off and shooting some carb in here and cleaning that too. Think about cleaning that too. Shoot some carb down there, clean that. I got the purge valve solenoid off. I'm gonna clean that. I'm gonna shoot some car in this line here to get to the back of the throttle bar. I could just clean it, take that off, but I'm just gonna do it the easy way. shoot something in here, start a vehicle, rev it a little bit, try to clean it and everything. Then I'm going a little, when I get off of work, I got 13 miles to travel back home. See how much, I'm gonna see how, if it's improved. I'm not gonna reset the system by disconnecting the battery. I'm just gonna take my normal route I normally take and everything, and see if it jumps from 7.8 to see if it climb. It should, if it's good, it should climb. It should climb up to at least 10, 11 by the time I get home, or 12 miles by the time I get home and everything. So we'll see. Yeah, this is about my third or fourth time filling this with carb cleaner. Yeah, I cleaned about 3 or 4 times, and it actually, a lot of dirt came out of it. A lot of dirt and debris, so I know it's coming out of it because like a lot of dirt, a little drying and sand came out of it. I'm saying I shot some in the vacuum area, the little hole too. Yep, I think it's working right, because at first when I sprayed it down, it wasn't shooting back out. So now I got this cleared out. Got majority of it cleaned out. I'm feeling good about it. It's still kind of dripping dry. Dripping out right now, but I'm not really worried about that. I got most of it out, and then start dripping like it was. Now I'm finna begin bolting this back on, put the lines back together, put the connector back on. I sprayed some carb cleaner down in here. Next is the air filter. I'm clean. I don't need to see that. Very easy thing. Disconnect it from here. Disconnect the connector and just clean the master airflow sensor. Put it back on. And like I said, I will see when I'm heading home how many miles to the gallon I'm getting after cleaning this.